Wow, as you can see, I just bought a mutual fund of 1000 naira using this platform called Cowrywise. As you can
Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rich Concept TV. I am in school now again. In this channel, I teach affiliate marketing, personal savings and investment, how to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to practically show you how you can make money, how you can start, in this video, I'm going to practically show you how you can buy mutual fund with just 1000 naira. Believe me, a lot of people have this myopic mindset. When you're talking about mutual fund, a lot of people think that you can, before you buy mutual fund, you have up to 1 million naira. No, that is the wrong mindset. You mustn't have up to 1 million naira before you can buy mutual fund. That is why it's very, very important for you to stick to the end of this video. I'm going to walk you guide by guide. I'm going to show you how you can buy mutual fund with just 1000 naira. In fact, in this platform that I'm about to introduce you, you can even buy mutual fund in Nigeria with just 100 naira. And believe me, you know, the people that are successful, they are wise, they are good decision makers. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rich Concept TV. In this channel, I teach real value. Okay, so I'm going to walk you step by step. So, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay. So now I'm going to take you to my PC and I'm going to show you exactly how you can buy a mutual fund with just 1000 naira. Okay.
Hello viewers, welcome back. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to practically show you how to invest, how to buy a mutual fund with just 1000 naira. So all you need to do now, you log into your account. You just allow our account to load up. Now as you can see, today is my birthday, so I'm so happy. All right, so let's just so as you can see now, this is our account. This is my account with that we just log in, and we are using a platform called Cowrywise. Now when you go to the first link in the description of this video, I made a video on how to make 3000 naira daily here in Nigeria using a platform called Cowrywise. In that video, I taught how to create a Cowrywise account, how to add in your BVN, how to add in your bank information, how to start saving. There are so many investment plans in that Cowrywise. So it is very, very important, because that video is a pattern of this particular video that I'm making now. So now if you really want to have a better understanding on how to invest using this platform, I will strongly advise you go to the description of this video and watch the part 1 of this video and watch the pattern of this video that I'm doing. So this video that I'm doing currently now is the part 2. Okay, so now it is very, very important. Go to the first description of this video and click on the first link and watch the pattern of this video. So now in this, I just want to make this tutorial to be very, very short and precise. So now this is our dashboard. Now as you can see, now what I have in my total balance is about 6200 naira in my total. And in this platform you can invest, you can make your savings, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to practically show you how you can invest if you have 1000 naira. So now all you need to do now this is the dashboard. Now as you can, let me just move around. As you can see here, I have already an investment of 2000 naira. I have made a savings of 4020 naira. So now let me just show you how to invest, how to buy mutual fund using just 1000 naira. So you come to this place now, here that my mouse is pointing now, that has 3 parallel lines. You click on it now. By the time when you click on it, you have history, you have track, you have referrals, all these things. When you go to on the pattern of this video, I mentioned how you can start savings. I made also, it is very important. Go to the description of this video and watch the part 1. So now if you want to buy mutual funds using just 1000 naira, all you need to do now, you come to this place that says plans. You click on it. By the time when you click on it, you go to here that says, now it brought you to the dashboard. Here we have savings, here we have investment. Then you click on investment. By the time when you click on investment, now you can see there are mutual funds that I've already bought here. Some are pending, but let me just show you practically how to buy mutual funds. Just mutual fund of 1000 naira. So you can buy more than 1000 naira mutual fund. Okay, but I'm just using 1000 naira as a practical illustration for those people that doesn't have the money now. Okay, so now you come here that says buy mutual funds. You click on it. By the time we click on it, now it brought you to, now you can buy mutual funds using dollar, you can buy mutual fund using naira. But for the sake of this tutorial, let us buy mutual fund using naira. So you click here that says invest now. So you click on it, it takes you to a dashboard. Now there are so many mutual funds you can buy here. Okay, and some of them, like this one that says United Capital Wealth for Women Fund, there are so many of them. Let me check more. Now look at this one that says United Capital Suki Fund. Okay, some of them the YTT TD return is about 0.51%. So now let me make a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor in this video. I'm just making a disclaimer. Before you buy any mutual fund in this platform, I want you to do your research very well. Okay, so now this video is not Cowrywise, they are not sponsoring me in this video. I'm only just trying to make a honest review about it. So before you buy any mutual fund, I want you to make a critical research on the mutual fund that you are buying. Okay, so now let me go to this place now. Now look at this one. There's another mutual fund that says ARM Discovery Balance fund now, and the YTD return is about 2.87. 2.89. So now you click here that says view details. You click on it, so you allow it to load up now. So now, and the risk level is moderate, and the return on investment is by 2.89%. Okay, so now as soon as you want to buy this mutual fund, what do? You come to this place that says invest now. Invest now. You click on invest now. Then by the time we click that, look at what asks you. Would you like? Then the thing now asks you a question. Would you? How much would you like to invest in this mutual fund? So now you can. In fact, you can even type 100 naira. You see, the minimum amount you can buy. The least money you can buy is 100 naira. But for the sake of this tutorial, let us just assume that we are buying a mutual fund of 1,000 naira. So we now click on the amount. You see, the minimum amount you can even buy here is just 100 naira. You can see how wide it is for somebody to buy mutual fund. So now after typing 1,000 naira, now what do? Now we come to this place that says continue. We click on continue. So as you can see, now let me drag my mouse to this place. Let me drag my mouse to this place and still continue now. So you can see the ARM Discovery the ARM Discovery Balance Fund. The mutual fund that we are buying is 1,000 naira, and the unit is about 1.29 to 2.9 units. Okay, 1.98. Sorry, the mutual unit is about 1.98 to 2.19 units. Okay, and the processing fee is just 15 naira, and the total amount they are going to subtract me in my balance is 1,015 naira. Now, and my bank details has been already added. That is why I say that if you really want to understand how to invest in this platform, you need to go to the description of the video and watch how to. There's a video I made a part one of this video, how to invest 1,000 naira, how to make 3,000 naira daily here in Nigeria using a platform called Cowrywise. So when you go to the first description of this video, the link is there. You need to watch that video. After watching that video, you have a better clarity, a better understanding of how to invest. Okay, so this video that I'm making, just like I say, is the part 2 of this video. So go to the description of this video and watch the part 1 of the video for a better clarity. Because in the part 1 of that video, I taught how to create an account, how to create Cowrywise account, how to verify your email, how to verify your BVN, how to add in your bank details, how to start savings. It is a well detailed video that I made. Okay, so now because in the part 1 of this video I've added my bank information. So what I need to do now is I come to this place. Now I come to this place that says buy now, and I click on it. As you can see, smart move, your investment was successful. I have just bought a mutual fund of 1,000 naira using a platform called Cowrywise. You see, that is how easy it is for someone to buy mutual fund. Okay, you can see from my email, a confirmation email has been sent to my email. Now let me open the email for me to show you. Now, as you can see, you just purchased a mutual fund on Cowrywise. Hi, it's Kunam James. You have successfully invested in a mutual fund offered by Cowrywise, as you can see. So, by the time after making the purchase, a confirmation email was sent to my email. Okay. So now I go back to my Cowrywise. Now, as you can see now. Now I come to here that this place that has 3 parallel. I click on it again. Then I go to here that says plans. I click on it. Then after that, I come to here that says investment. I click on it now. Now, as you can see now, this is the mutual fund that I bought. This is the mutual fund that I bought now. Now, assuming now, for instance, now you after buying the mutual fund, you decide to sell it. How do you sell the mutual fund? It's very, very simple. All you need to do now, you come to the place, the mutual fund that you bought. Look at it now. Like I have bought 2 mutual funds. Then this particular, assuming now you want to sell any mutual fund, the one that you just bought, probably when the price might have gone up. How do you sell it? You come to this place now that says, you see the mutual fund, the current mutual fund. This is the current value. This is the daily price change, and this is the YTD return. Then assuming you want to sell it now, you can come here that says sell unit. You click on it. By the time you see redeem your investment, now you see the current unit that we just bought in this mutual fund is 883.31. Okay, so you can just come here, you type the number of units you want to sell. Assuming now you want to sell, probably want to sell like 66 units. Then you come to here, you click on continue. Then after clicking on continue, it's very easy. After clicking on continue, let me drag this my mouse. After clicking on continue, you can come here and you confirm the sale. That's how easy it is. That is how easy it is. Okay, now let me go back again. Now assuming now, this is the share that, remember, this is the share that we bought. Assuming now, for instance, now you want to buy more of the shares, you can come to here and say invest more. Currently now, the share that I bought, the share price has dropped. That's why I say that this video, before you buy any shares or any mutual fund in this platform, I want you to do your own research very, very well. So you come here, assuming I want to buy more funds in the same shares that you bought. You can come here and see here that says invest more. You click on it. Then you enter the amount. Assuming you still want to buy shares of probably like 5,600 naira. This is the amount you want to buy. You come here and press on continue again. Then you can come here and still invest more. That is how easy it is buying shares. Now let me go back. That is how easy it is. Now let me scroll down and show you more. You see, so currently now this is the share that I just bought. Okay, this is the share that I just bought. I just paid, requested, submitted, request process, purchase successful, everything. So that is how it is. That is how it is buying mutual fund. If you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. In this place, I give real value. Okay, so
Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video. I just showed you how you can buy mutual fund of 1,000 naira. The platform I showed you, the minimum amount you can buy mutual fund of 100 naira. So that is how easy it is. I just want us to have this golden mindset. A lot of people think that before someone will buy mutual fund, you have about 1 million naira. No, with 100 naira you can buy mutual fund. With 300 naira you can buy mutual fund. With 1,000 naira you can buy mutual fund. I just showed you everything. Everything was a practical video. Okay, don't forget, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. In this place, I give real value. I teach affiliate marketing, personal finance, personal savings, and how to make money online. See you in my next video, and stay connected.